Some scary moments in Central Ohio. Severe storms prompted tornado warnings and left damage behind. Good evening. I'm Mike Jackson.
I'm Colleen Marshall. Thanks for joining us at 11. We have team coverage tonight. Storm Team 4 Chief Meteorologist Dave Mazza has a look at when we could see even more storms.
But we begin with Rob SNEED. He's live in Fayette County, where one homeowner says she's afraid after part of her roof was ripped off. Rob?
Yeah, both she and her husband told me that tonight. They said that these storms came in, ripped huge chunks of roof off the top of their roof, huge sections of it, and a lot of that blew across over in a cornfield where it sits right now tonight. This twisted metal is siding and roofing from William Blake's home.
We heard a great big bang like it was thunder, but it wasn't thunder.
He says high winds came in so fast, he, his wife, and child were terrified.
She was screaming, "Help me." You know, she didn't know what was going on.
But he would soon find out.
It was some kind of wind, whether it be inline, tornado, I don't know, lifted our entire roof off. So I came out, looked at my roof, I said, no, that is my roof. My entire roof is laying 200 yards from the house.
Now the challenge is the cleanup. Blake has a disability and can't climb on the roof to make any repairs himself.
And it's just not possible for me to do physical work like that anymore.
Luckily, his neighbors stepped in and placed this tarp in hopes that if it rains, no more water will enter his home and cause even more damage. And the homeowner tells me right now they're waiting on the insurance company to look over the damage to give them an assessment. Local for you in Bloomingburg, Rob SNEED, NBC4.
All right, thanks, Rob. And some of you sent pictures and videos during and after that storm.
Some of them kind of dramatic. Dave Mazza has a look at that and what we can expect tonight in Central Ohio. Dave?
You know, we've been continuing to watch some of these videos, and it's incredible. We saw some hail. This was Sammy's video from Plain City earlier today around 3 o'clock this afternoon as hail was pelting the car. Always one of our nightmares with hail. That can be very dangerous. We've also had another pretty neat looking picture here that Misty sent us near Canal Winchester this evening. This is actually a scud cloud that we saw. Here's that moisture that's getting pulled up into that storm as it continued to push off towards the east. Then in Morgan County, check out this video here. It's right after we open the screen door, and you can see that the hail that was falling there that Alicia took, again, about nickel to quarter sized hail. And then finally, this was one of my favorite pictures that we had of the evening, a beautiful rainbow as that storm started to exit, the worst of it at least, off in Muskingum County, in this beautiful shot that Sarah took earlier this evening as well. Now, as